encourage our businessmen from Kyrgyzstan to have very effective and productive sessions with their counterparts in Pakistan and identify areas of mutual cooperation where we can enhance our trade, have joint ventures, investments in education, health. As I speak, about 8,500 Pakistani students are getting education in medical universities in Kyrgyzstan. We have agreed this morning that we will have a joint mechanism to certify these doctors for work in Kyrgyzstan and, of course, in Pakistan. Similarly, as you have witnessed here, that we have signed an MOU that would take our bilateral trade, which is at this point in time a paltry sum of $5 million only, to $200 million in the next 2 years, inshallah. This would be a quantum jump in our trade relations, and this would augur very well for our future cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, President Yaparov is a visionary leader, young, energetic, and has really worked very hard to promote economic well-being, progress and prosperity of the people of Kyrgyzstan. Ladies and gentlemen, we have also agreed to have promotion in our cultural relations. Sufism is spread all over Pakistan, whether it's Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, KP, Gilgit-Baltistan, and Azad Kashmir. So we have decided to hold cultural events in Bishkek and, of course, in Islamabad and other provincial centers of Pakistan. We have also mentioned clearly that Pakistan supports CASA 1000, and we appreciate Kyrgyzstan's achievement to complete their part of CASA, and Pakistan's part of CASA will be completed, inshallah, very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to mention here that SIFC, which is Special Investment Facilitation Council, constituted back in 2023, is our front face of attracting investment in Pakistan. It's our one-window operation to facilitate and help potential investors from abroad and within in various sectors of Pakistan. Government of Pakistan is fully supporting this investment center, and I would like to encourage you to get in touch with SIFC, and SIFC should proactively approach our brothers and sisters from Kyrgyzstan for investment portfolios in various sectors of industry, agriculture, IT, AI, mines and minerals in Pakistan. Allah Almighty has blessed our country with infinite natural resources, along with youth bulge, which is a great challenge as well as great opportunity. As I speak, we are providing ample opportunities along with provincial governments, to our youth to have access to modern training in IT, AI, vocational training, and have internationally recognized companies offering international certification so they can go abroad to contribute in nation-building efforts in those countries as well as here in Pakistan. So I think, again, in this area, both Pakistan and Kyrgyzstan can play a very important role. And Pakistan excels in textile, in pharmaceutical industry. I think I can see faces sitting here in this hall who belong to textile and pharmaceutical industry. I would encourage our Kyrgyzstan businessmen to meet them here and have discussion how to promote our joint cooperation in these areas, as well as agriculture and tourism. Climate change is one area where both Kyrgyzstan and Pakistan are exposed to vagaries of weather. Again here, Pakistan is very keen to cooperate with all those countries, including Kyrgyzstan, to have our efforts, our planning synchronized to meet this challenge in time to come. We have suffered hugely in 2022 and again this year, both in terms of human losses and economic losses. Ladies and gentlemen, I would not take more of your time. Together, let us transform our historical goodwill and friendship into strong economic bonds and usher in an era of mutually beneficial cooperation between Pakistan and the Kyrgyz Republic. Long live Pakistan, Kyrgyz friendship, Pakistan, Paindabad. Thank you very much.
Now I would like
पाकिस्तान किर्गिस्तान मुश्तरका बिजनेस फोरम की तकरीब वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ का खिताब अहम गुफ्तगू की। किर्गिस्तान का वक्त 20 साल बाद पाकिस्तान के दौरे पर है, जो कि बहुत खुशाइन है। 20 साल बाद ये आमद हुई है। किर्गिस्तान का वक्त 20 साल बाद पाकिस्तान के दौरे पर है। रेल मंसूबे ख़त्ते के लिए अहम है, इस पर अहम गुफ्तगू हुई। MOU पर भी दस्तखत किए गए हैं। साथ साथ वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने मज़ीद अपने ख़ताब में कहा, हमने मंसूबे के लिए बहुत मेहनत की है। पाकिस्तान अपने तालीम के शोबे में भी तमाम कामयाबियां हासिल कर रहा है। पाकिस्तान का मुस्तकबिल रोशन है। पाकिस्तान में सरमायाकारी के लिए वन विंडो ऑपरेशन शुरू किया गया।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।